Why don't we make friends with salads? Because they keep leafing us. Now that we've tickled your funny bone, let's dive into something a lot more appetizing. Blackened salmon with mango salsa. A dish that's as delectable as it is nutritious. Are you ready to whip up this delicious and healthy dish? Well, stay tuned. Now let's unveil the star players of today's show. First up, we have the heart of our dish, the salmon. Known for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, this fish is a heart-healthy choice. It's a protein powerhouse, helping to build and repair body tissues while also contributing to overall wellness. Next, we have our dramatic blackening spices. A mix of paprika, cayenne, thyme, and more, these spices add a smoky depth of flavor and are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation. For the salsa, we'll be using ripe mangoes, which are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins A and C. These vitamins support immunity and promote eye health. We'll also have a sprinkle of red onions, jalapenos, and fresh cilantro. These bring a punch of flavor and a host of health benefits from aiding digestion to boosting the immune system. Finally, a squeeze of lime will add zing and vitamin C. Remember, good health begins with good ingredients. Before we move on to the cooking process, here's a quick reminder. Show some love by liking, subscribing, and commenting below. We'd love to hear about your culinary adventures, especially if you're whipping up similar dishes. All right, back to our delicious creation. Now that we've got everything ready, it's time to fire up the stove. First things first, you're going to want to season your salmon fillets. Take your blackening spice blend, that aromatic mix of paprika, cayenne, thyme, and oregano, and rub it generously on each side of the salmon. Make sure every inch is covered, because this is where the magic happens. While your salmon is soaking up all those flavors, let's turn our attention to the pan. Heat it up to a medium-high heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. Wait till it's hot, but not smoking. That's the sweet spot. Now gently place your salmon in the pan, skin side down. You should hear a satisfying sizzle. That's the sound of your dinner getting delicious. Cook the salmon for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You're looking for a crispy, blackened exterior and a tender, flaky interior. While our salmon is sizzling away, let's whip up some mango salsa. Dice your ripe mangoes, red onions, jalapeno, and cilantro. Combine them in a bowl and squeeze some fresh lime juice over the top. Give it a good stir. The sweetness of the mangoes, the zing of the lime, and the heat of the jalapeno create a dance of flavors that perfectly complements the richness of the blackened salmon. As the salmon finishes cooking, the aroma of the spices will fill your kitchen, creating an atmosphere that's both cozy and exciting. Once the salmon is done, remove it from the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute and the flavors to meld together. Finally, serve your blackened salmon with a generous spoonful of mango salsa on top. The contrast between the warm, spicy salmon and the cool, sweet salsa is an experience your palate won't soon forget. And voila! A dish that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also your health goals. Now that our dish is ready, let's talk about the health benefits. This blackened salmon with mango salsa is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a boon for your health. The salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to improve heart health and boost brain function. The blackening spices, on the other hand, are full of antioxidants that aid in combating inflammation and warding off diseases. What about the mango salsa, you ask? Well, it's a powerhouse of vitamins A and C, promoting healthy skin and boosting your immune system. The combination of these ingredients makes this dish a delicious and nutritious choice for any meal. Don't forget to check the description box below for our recommended health products that can complement this healthy dish and help you maintain a balanced diet. Remember, good food equals good mood. And that's a wrap on our blackened salmon with mango salsa. We've journeyed through the ingredients, the tantalizing cooking process, and the health benefits of this delightful dish. Be bold, give this recipe a whirl in your kitchen, and let us know how it turns out. Remember, your culinary adventure is just a click away in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep living healthy.